Discover the new WAGO Power Supply Pro 2. No other power supply has the versatility. Can be configured as an electronic circuit breaker, provides permanent field bus communication, and has an efficiency rating of up to 96%. Snapping on an optional communication module provides permanent field bus communication, reliable supplying data, and measured values in real time. WAGO can assist you as early as the planning phase, providing all the necessary data for integrating the power supply into your engineering process. The pluggable connection technology and standard compliant marking makes installation fast and easy. No matter if at minus 40 degrees Celsius, under heavy vibrations, or even at plus 70 degrees Celsius, the WAGO Power Supply Pro 2 is always ready to go when you need it. The Pro 2 always supplies the output current you need with a 150% power boost for 5 seconds as a quick power reserve and a top boost for reliable tripping of circuit breakers. The front side interface crowns the WAGO Power Supply Pro 2 as the configuration world champion. With a lifetime of nearly 1 million hours, the WAGO Power Supply Pro 2 can accompany a machine for its entire service life. Thanks to efficiency levels of up to 96%, starting at 50% capacity, the energy losses are so low that great amounts of CO2 emissions can be avoided. Our answer to increasingly stringent requirements in the control cabinet industry is the WAGO Power Supply Pro 2, which takes the challenges of today and tomorrow and turns them into concrete possibilities. We call this the power of possible. Get in touch. We'll be happy to advise you.